Let's go, Hey, Mom, we are on ESPN tonight. We locked in. Let's get to it tonight, all right?
Doggy, let's get it.
You can't control everything that happens in an NBA game. But what you can control is how you approach every NBA game.
They're the aggressor. It's not going to be easy. Okay, so we got to pick up the fight and the competitiveness.
And Steph Curry pulls it away from the Joker. Beautiful no-look to Kuminga.
We know they're going to make a run. It's a good team. So right now we just got to settle down, execute, try to string some stuff together, okay?
An array of moves against Porter, trying to stay in front of him. Blocks the shot out of bounds.
We got a long way to go. Let's continue to work, continue to do what we're doing. Don't change a thing.
They get layups. It's all layups, right? Protect the paint, right? And then we can play. We get anything we want.
Doncic. Oh, bounce pass from a sitting position, and it was an absolute dime for a jam.
Love what we're doing. All right, we got to come up with rebounds. You got to freaking fight. All right?
Kick. Graham. Jumper. Rebound. Put back. Murphy slips inside for two.